3 reasons why naming and images matter. In a world filled with countless projects and initiatives, how can you ensure that yours stands out? How can you capture attention, build a bond, and create a lasting impact? It's time to unlock the secrets of project success through the power of naming and images. Reason number 1. Your project needs an identity. Think of it as giving your project a personality, a character. A name acts as a vessel, making it easier for you to develop a deep connection with your creation. A well-chosen name evokes emotion and strengthens your commitment to its success. But don't stop there. Visualize your project with a meaningful image that symbolizes the end result or represents the elation you'll feel upon completion. It's a powerful tactic to stay motivated during challenging phases. Reason number 2. Your project deserves to stand out. Amidst your daily routine, family responsibilities, and other activities, your project should shine as something unique and distinct. By giving it a name, you create separation from the rest of your routines. Whether you're juggling multiple projects or focusing solely on this one, make it stand out, make it memorable. Reason number 3. Authenticity and sympathy matter. When you rely on support from others, a sympathetic project name can work wonders. It evokes positive associations, forging connections, and inspiring collaboration. Remember, you don't need marketing expertise to find the perfect name. It can be a code, a movie title, or even your favorite song. It's your baby, and you have the freedom to name it in a way that resonates with you. Unlock the full potential of your project. Boost its success by embracing the art of naming and images. Create an identity, stand out from the crowd, and foster authentic connections. Remember, your project deserves to be seen, heard, and remembered. Please subscribe for more valuable insights and tips to elevate your projects.